Well, it's kind of like, I'm not really sure. Like, it's going to take a little while to stabilize. I got to give it a little time. Because it'll bounce up and down for a while, and then you just never know. So maybe I should be, I don't know. See, it's like up and down, up and down, up and down. I don't know. I have no idea. Alright, well. Alright, so I gotta blow the horn and get the dude from there. Here he comes. Alright, there he is. Alright. Alright, that's it. And then I've got like, there should be like these dudes around here that I have to hit with the Libram. And it's not targeted. It's not a targeted ability, so I can just go down here and find more of these guys and whatever. That's what I'll do. They're all over the place. All these Kaluak guys. I can just run around and look for them. I just have to be close to them when I hit the thingy. So and those guys are, I don't know, I kind of expect those guys to drop something, but they don't always. So forming the last rites. I got 4 more to do. Can't be moving when you do it. One more, you guys. One more. One more. One more. Alright, so I guess that's everything for here, right? So I don't know what to do now. Like, do I do the tournament part to tick down the timer on my clock some more? Because I've got some, I've got 8 minutes and 15 seconds left. So I might as well just head back up there, I guess. Where am I headed? Am I headed the wrong place? I'm not really. I think I'm heading the right place. It's just there's a little bit of black water that you pass right there for some reason. And I don't know what the deal is with the black water anyway. So in any case, there it is. I've got I probably should turn this sound down a little. I don't know. I don't know what I'm doing. That's the trouble with me. I have no idea what I'm doing. It looks like this looks like no matter what I do, I don't get a good throughput here lately. I don't know. I think it's probably my crummy internet connection. Try 1640. I can go down by a couple hundred and maybe it'll stabilize. I don't know. See, I don't think it will. I think I'm gonna have to go with the minimum I can. I don't know. It's totally pathetic. Yeah, I don't know what the cause of this is. Looks like that's not even enough, so maybe I don't know. Let's try that and see how that works. I'm going to keep going down until it stabilizes, I guess. Go down by 100 at a time. I don't know. Yeah, that doesn't look like that's good enough. Let's try that. I'm gonna go down. I'll go down by 200 and see how that does. So I guess I need to get a horsey here, which means I need to put the lance on. For some reason, I have a lance that lasts forever, no matter what I do now. I don't know how I did it. I don't know which one I got. I don't know from where I got it, but evidently it doesn't disappear now. I don't know why. But I don't know which one it is I got or why it's the one. I don't know. I don't have any idea. I'm not even sure. I'm not sure what's happening, but I got the Darnassus pennant, so you know. Yeah, okay. Anyway, all right. So I guess I have to just challenge some of these folks. So I'll start here.
Well met.
I don't know. There's almost no point in.
Be careful.
All right. All right. Who knows what's going to happen here? All right. I'll get one shield breaker in and then... I really got a bad start on this. There we go. All right. And, I don't know, Blood Elves.
Baladash Malinore. Remember the Sunwell.
All right. All right, here we go. And we go.
May the stars guide you.
All right, that's that one. And kind of looks like just need one more. Chronakai, I gotta be closer. Chronakai Christor.
Blessings upon you. Dionysaka.
Okay. All right. All right. And that's it. And I can put my regular armor back on. Okie doke. So, now let's see. What I've got going here is, so I've ticked down some time on the thingy, so that means I can just go ahead and go up here and do whatever. Looks like I've got Cool the Reckless and Cult of the Damned, so I guess that's it. So I just gotta kill a bunch of these guys, get a bunch of keys, and I don't know. That's a melee range. I don't know. I can't even play my class anymore. I hardly even play this character. All right. Melee range, I guess, or what? All right. I don't know how many keys I have, but okay. Anyway, I can let some of these guys out. How many keys do I have? Does it even show? I only had one key. Is that all I had? All right. Well, I don't know. I guess I'm going to go down to the minimum here and see if that helps. All right. And see how that does here. All right. All right, I guess I got 2 cage keys. And, I don't know. I think my internet is not looking very well. I don't really know. So, it's hard to say, really. I got 1 key. What do I have that's a ranged attack? Nothing really, right? I've got what I've got, which is very little. And kind of looks like I don't have All right. So how many more of these things do I need? I got 1 more.
Salutations.
Okay. Salutations. I've got my own key. I got 1 more key, but how many more of these guys do I need? I need 1 more. All right.
Work complete.
All right. Was there a way up here without flying? I don't think there really is. So. Okay. All right. He runs off.
Work complete.
I'll never do anything this foolish again, he says. I don't believe that. You know, because he does this every day. Like literally every day. He does this every single day. And I guess Chillmaw is going to be over here by these little peaks. I think that's kind of his peak that he circles around. I don't know. I'm not sure what the big deal is with this guy. All he does is fly around in circles. He doesn't really do anything very threatening. But, okay. So that's all it took. Did I get them all? Okay, so now when it comes to everything else, Fate of the Fallen, I guess, I don't know. I'm going to have to do that thing with the Yorgamar anyway, because that's the thing, that's the farthest away. It's in the Storm Peaks. I'm going to have to do that anyway, so it doesn't matter. I guess I'll do that last. I don't know. I'm just going to try and do this as fast as I can. So I'm going to pick out some... I got to get more of these. I need 4 more now, right? Let's see. 4 more. So I need 4. I got 1. And if while gathering these I see another one of the dudes, I can help. I can release his spirit or whatever. But okay. So here we go. Spirit. And I just need 3 more, and I've got 3 more, so I don't need any more. There's 1. All right, let me see here. I got 1 here, hopefully. 1 more is all I need. I always used to kill these guys, and they dropped actually a pretty good amount of stuff. I don't know. But anyway, I've got to find 1 more of these guys here. Looks like there's 1 right there. 1 more, right? That's it. Alright, and I guess I need to put the drum on here instead, because that's what I'm gonna need next. Alright. So let's fly on down there. I don't know, I kind of got like I think this is basically a good way of getting heirloom upgrades for playing different classes and not spending my mount money. So let's see here. I guess, and all I need here are commanders, right? I just need commanders, so this is not like the thing where I need... I think I can just hit that guy with that. I can consecrate and everyone will die, right? Okay, let's say. Let's just say, for example. And, okie doke. We gotta get over here where there's gonna be more commanders. What, did someone come slaughter them all? What happened? They're all dead. Alright, well, there'll be some over here, I guess. They actually spawn pretty fast. So, that was a one-shot deal. And there's 1 more over there, so... My aggro radius is pretty small. Alright, so he has so much health, but yet he doesn't... they have so much health, these commanders, but at level 110, they're not much of a problem. Alright, so when it comes to everything else, then I think, where is it? The Storm Peaks, right? I gotta highlight this quest. And if I just fly directly there, I think that'd probably be the thing, really. And then I can use my hearth tabard thingy, but yeah, it's kind of a... Well, how far is this anyway? I'm trying to make the plateau, right? Isn't that... I got to go past that. Actually, I've got to go into that valley. It's kind of around that big spire there, isn't it? I guess so. Good to have you here. Dropping by. I'll give you a lurk back, too. Let me see. Yeah. Put you on my permanent lurk list. What the hey? All right. Done. Anyway, thanks for dropping by. Oh, I see where I'm going. I'm going to this kind of little valley in here. All right, so here's where we have the little snow things, and basically the key to this is you spawn your mount right away, and then if it's the dwarves, then you can just fly away before they attack you. Although when you're a high level, it doesn't. Yeah, your aggro radius is so small that. What just happened? Oh, that was a phasing incident here. Oh, already. Got another one. Let's see here. Okay, well, you have a good one. Have a good sleep. Bye-bye. And, I don't know. Let's see what I'm doing here. I'm doing this. I'm doing this. I still need one more, so I got to do the same thing here. There's a worm. Okay. We've hit a big one. And that's the deal. All right. Engine of the Makers. And there's, what's his name? Kratos, and he just walks around here all the time. And, I think that's everything. So let me see what I'm gonna get here. Where does this put me? This puts me in here. So since I'm coming back here, I think I'll go to the other tent first. It doesn't really make that much difference since you have to fly back anyway, but I might as well fly here and do this and then do that. So that's what I'm gonna do. So let's see. Okay.
I am listening.
I'm listening back.
Farewell. What brings you here?
Alright. I'm getting like 0 EXP for this. Oh, I think I'm max level, so basically I just get gold anyway. So, no EXP involved here until September. And then it'll change, and I'll get like 3 EXP for doing these. This all scales to 80 though, so you can really do quite a lot of leveling through here once you qualify for this this thing.
I am honored. Be careful.
So let's see. You want to make sure and get the champion's purse because it has another champion seal in it. It didn't used to. It used to just be only a chance for one, but now it's the full-blown thing. Every single one has one in it.
Blessings upon your
And I guess they decided to make it a little easier to grind the.
Our enemies will fall.
Greetings. See you later.
All right, so let me see. So what do I have here? I got 6. Oh, see, I'm not gonna have enough for a weapon. All right, so either I take a not a weapon, or I wait for a weapon for next time. I'm gonna take not a weapon. I think that's what I'm gonna do. I'm just gonna go for. I'm gonna go with the. I'm gonna go with an armor piece. And
Go with honor, friend.
I kind of figured I'd probably be one short, but let me see. I'm gonna go for. I can also sell off this junk here. Because I have 204 now.
Light
And,
bless you.
Let me see what I can. Oh man, there's so much. Look at this. I got all classes selected, right? Let's see how much. Look how many are still at tier 0. It's just amazing. All right. So I don't know what to do. Like, I don't know whether I should. It doesn't matter. I don't know. I don't know what I should do. There's like so much that's still at level 60. Alright, well I'll take that. How's that? I don't know. It doesn't really matter. It's just another notch in the gun, so to speak. Yeah, I'm not going to Volastel. I'm just going to go back to Stormwind. Or I could just go to my garrison, I guess. I could do that too, right? Garrison. It's always nice to go back there and do nothing. So, here we go. Let's just go do nothing. All right, so all right. So, oh, and I've got Defender Alana still following me around.
Warm wishes to you. May your days be long and your hardships few.
All right. What's Vindicator Onala's, I don't know. I can't remember what her thing was. She looks like a paladin also. She might be a different type. But I don't know. Like, I don't know. I've not really been in the mood to like do garrison stuff. I used to come here and do the herbs and buy the stuff and do the whatever, but I don't know. It's like not really. So,
I am listening. Let us speak.
May the light increase.
Have you any news?
oh, Defender Alana levels with me. She didn't used to do that.
Light's blessing to you.
Will she follow? Will she follow along? I don't know if she will. I don't think she will. Oh, yeah, she will. She will eventually.
Open your heart to the light.
You're getting on my nerves. Farewell.
Don't give up, Soulbinders. Auchindoun must be protected.
Greetings, friend.
We are sworn to Auchindoun's protection. Keep up the defenses.
Well, she says some interesting things when she follows you around. She at least has some. She has her Auchindoun.
Concentrate, sisters. We must maintain Auchindoun's defenses.
All right. Very good, I guess.
Hello?
She looks like a priest.
How are you? Safe travels.
All right.
You need something?
Let us speak.
Let us speak. So Defender Alana, she tanks, and she's really got some. And she actually comes with me in the world, and now she's like on my same level as me. That's kind of neat. She has a pretty good amount of health too. But
I am listening.
I don't know, and if she's a paladin, it seems like she doesn't ever have a heal that she uses on herself, so it's kind of weird too. It's kind of weird. It is kind of weird. And I don't have a transmogger in my all right. Yeah, I guess that's about it. I never did a lot of garrison missions, and you know, I mean, you could probably like just go in here and do it when, you know, and you just get gold out of it, probably. But I don't know. Hey, Catvid, good to see you, man. I'm not sure what to make of all this. So I mean, I hardly even do this anymore. But yet, it is stuff you can do, and I still could get a ring, you know, from the right naval mission. But I don't even know. I'm just gonna log out. I'm gonna go for like okay, well that's cool. I wonder if I can up my stream res now. I don't know, we'll just see, I guess, if we can. Yeah, I know. I've had people tell me that. It's kind of like ASMR, you know. It's, I don't know. Oh, and there it is, the Luckydo mount. That's the thing. Transmog vendor built right into it. It's pretty awesome. And, I don't know. I'm thinking maybe Argent tournament for you gotta put it in chat or your private chat. Yeah, there you go. I don't know why that matters. You know, I should probably just let people post links. I really don't care. I don't care if they like post links to their own stream or whatever, you know. I mean, it's just they just do. Let's see what we got here. Let's see what we got. You got me a link. See what it is. All right. All right. So, oh yeah. That looks nice. I mean, you know, I guess people could post like spam links or harmful, you know, whatever. But, you know, just as long as you pay attention to what's there. Yeah, I don't know. I mean, I think it was just either I did it very early on and I don't remember, or it was like a setting that was default. I don't know whether it was that way by default or if I changed it to that. But I actually have no idea. So I don't even remember. But it doesn't really matter. Like
Well met.
Hey, Mr. Mean, how are you doing? It's good to see you. I don't know. I'm just in kind of a mood to I'm just in kind of a mood to do and IR8 Studios just subscribed. Oh, that's a YouTube sub. Thank you very much for the sub. Yeah, exactly. So that's fine, you know. No, fine. Be as tipsy as you want. So I'm just, I guess, let me see. So I have to, did I get all those quests in there or what? I don't even know. I was kind of like, working on, so I was working on some stuff yesterday, and I found a program called Che Volume. Is that right? Yeah, Che Volume. And Che Volume is like a good volume control for, and you can route things to certain video or certain audio devices, and it's kind of like. It's kind of like, it's not what I would call a professional mixing solution, but it gets the job done. It's not free. You get a 7-day trial, and then I think it's $20 after that. And I think it's probably a little overpriced at that, but for what it does, I think it's worth it. I mean, it's you know, I personally kind of wanted I want something with a chat delay, you know, I mean, I want something with an audio delay that has a dump button. But evidently there's not a lot of good solutions out there that I've found yet that are just software. But and I don't know why it shouldn't be that hard to implement, really, but that's just kind of the way it goes. So I have everything, right? I do believe I have everything. Let me look in my bag here, yeah. All right, so the first thing I'm gonna want is probably the prayer book. So I'll put that on my bar. And, but the very first thing I'm gonna do is the dungeon. So, I'm gonna kind of want to, yeah, I've got a set for heroic. Let me see if my lance equips. I don't know. I figured out a way to get, somehow I stumbled into a way to get the right lance so that it doesn't destroy your lance after the quest sequence. You complete them, but, I just haven't figured out exactly what I did, so I haven't been able to replicate it. So when it comes to lance, I just click it on. Oh, I don't have the Librum, do I? So I gotta make one. Yeah, I guess so. Right, I imagine so. It's Windows audio is kind of squirrely anyway, but let's see, where is that offhand? Musty Tome of the Lost. This'll do here. And so I can put that in, and let me see. I want to put this in. Lance. I want to put both these in, right? And save that as Lance. It'll at least be there for a while. I have my, I don't know. I can't figure out what it is. I've been trying to. Anyway, so the thing about the sound delay is, you know, somebody eventually is going to drop the F-bomb or something worse, you know, and I don't have an adult-only stream, and, you know, someone could say some really bad word or something, and, you know, I mean, you could get in trouble for just one thing, and it just seems like having, since these streams are basically live, it seems like having a delay on the audio would probably be worth it, or having a delay on the whole stream and having, in voice chat you can do, I mean, chat you can manage without too much trouble, but not me, but, you know, like, say if I have someone in Discord and they're playing with me, like yesterday, a friend of mine, an old friend, you know, he just said the F word out of habit, you know, and if I had a dump button, you know, to just kind of bang on that, but not, you know, like I could set it to a hotkey or something, and it could just play a little pre-recorded thing over the delay, just like what the radio stations do. I mean, I know there's fancier stuff now where they, there's fancier stuff now where they use delay, you know, I don't know, but yeah, so, you know, you just want to but, you know, you can actually get banned even if you have an 18 plus station. You can get banned if people say racist stuff, and even if it's not you saying it, although some large streamers say it has a lot to do with how you deal with it when it happens. So, you know, I mean, you know, but it's having a dump button would be so easy, and it would not be a hard program to write, and I'm even tempted to do it myself because nobody has a good one that I can see, and I would just release it for free and let streamers use it because it's really necessary, and it would not be that hard to write. I mean, it would need a virtual audio device, so it wouldn't be a trivial thing. And you know, I would have to reacquaint myself with, I would write it probably in C++ or C#, but I would have to acquaint myself with newer Windows architecture, because now, you know, everything is different. From the last time I wrote a Windows program, I just used straight C because I needed a really tight implementation, and I didn't want to use a lot of overhead. But yeah, you know what, Mr. Mean Galaxy, if you want to make a bleep ton of money, you could do it too. I mean, you could charge like $5 and every streamer would want it. And all you need is, I mean, it doesn't have to be fancy with fancy algorithms or whatever. All you need is something that would just, take a WAV file and superimpose it over, the buffer period. And that would be perfectly fine. That's what a lot of radio stations do. I understand there's like fancier ways of doing dump now, but where they slow the stream down and then speed it up again so that you can't tell anything's missing, or I don't know. I mean, they have like all this crazy stuff, but you don't really need that. You just need a set, however many second delay you set. And it would be, you need a mentor to learn to code. Well, listen, man, it's all in what languages you start with, like start with an interpreter language and kind of get your feet wet. So like, try something like, yeah, you'd probably want you'd want a simple UI, I would probably want to, I wrote a program back in the early 2000s, and if you got like visualstudio.net and you try like or you can get one of the open source ones, and you try the one of the interpreter languages, like because compiler languages are much more like understanding the compiler and linker are a thing, and IDEs can help a lot out with that. But when you don't understand like what everything is, it's pretty hard. But like something like Visual Basic, or whatever they're calling it now, visualbasic.net, that's a good way to get started, because it kind of removes one difficult aspect of it. And then when it comes to actual coding, you just have to understand the kind of the concepts of, because you're writing Windows programs, everything is about events that trigger bits of code. And it's the same thing in C, but like if I write a Windows program in straight C, I actually have to write the message pump myself. So I have to have something that's constantly analyzing all the messages and sorting them to where they go. But and Mr. Mean Galaxy, he's actually a programmer or a programming manager, so he's actually working in it now, whereas I am not currently working in it. So he's probably a better resource, I bet, for what's being done right now. But yeah, this would not be a hard thing, and if some programmer would write it and just release it, and you can release it on a trial, like a 30-day trial, and even have like oh yeah, you're probably right. I mean, I don't know. I'm not sure what and don't know, Cadbid. So I'm probably going to confuse you more, since I don't have a teaching background. Although people always tell me I'm really good at explaining things, when it's actually, I could maybe show you some stuff. I could like screen share, and But like, there's certain like programming things, like ways of doing things that you kind of need to get your head around, and then but yeah, integrated development environment is IDE, yeah, and that makes a lot of those. It makes a lot of the even using Visual Basic or something like that. But Basic's a great language to get into because there are several implementations of it that make it pretty easy to write even nice-looking Windows programs that don't, you know, that aren't like super hard to code or really, you know, hard to get your head around. But I think you kind of want to stay away from like these totally visual things where you're just doing point and click things, because there's point and click coding, but you really, if you're starting from square one, that won't help you because you won't really understand what you're doing. So you won't really learn anything. You'll just maybe get a few things to work sometimes. But the last time I wrote a program just for myself was I wrote something called MIDI Archiver, and I even like cleaned it up and put it on 2cows, and a few people downloaded it. In fact, I even ran into an engineer here that used to use it, but I don't think it's on 2cows anymore. Although 2cows still exists. These days, I think you'd probably put it on SourceForge or whatever. But anyway, I wrote a thing to like save things, save all MIDI in files like after a certain amount of silence. So like whenever I play anything on my digital piano, it saved it in a file that had like a time and date stamp on it. And it was a Windows program. It had a system tray, configuration menu. I didn't even add a dialog window to it. I made it really simple, but I did add a help file and cleaned it up and made it where I could release it on 2cows, and I let people download it. And I mean that it was working in the first, say half hour or 45 minutes when I wrote it. So I started using it. But it had no user interface, so I had to add some kind of user interface to it to make it usable. And then I said, by the time I got it working to my satisfaction, I said, I ought to clean this up and release it somewhere. So I did, and I haven't updated it in a long time, so it's probably not there anymore. Things disappear off of 2cows or sites like that if you don't maintain them for a while. So anyway, I guess I should probably summon my water elemental if I'm going to go in here and do this stuff. But with this thing, you really got to get on the horse. Got to get on the horse, and you've got to perform your first part of this. You got to perform the first part of this thing on the horse, because if you get off the horse by your own choice, it'll make you start this first part again. So basically, you have to wait till the boss guys. There's three factions that come out, and then the underlings will fight you, and then all the bosses of each faction will come out and fight you, and you have to let them knock you off the horse. Last I checked, anyway. If I get off the horse manually, I won't be able to fight them. But so you just kind of like you DPS these guys down, and you can try hitting them with a shield breaker because it makes it faster. Oh, see, like I DPS that guy and he's not actually dead. I thought he was dead, and he wasn't. He still needed one more hit. So There we go. They don't do a very good job of you know, whatever. So they're pretty easy to deal with. But, there we go. And, yeah, thank you, Redneck, for dropping in. Redneck Style, the hardest working guy on Twitch, for sure. And, you can get the first one pretty quick. I mean, it's not actually even worth it, I think, to try to get some distance and do the big runs, because it's just you know, I cannot get a shot. Okay, there we go. I managed to finally do it. But if you have their shield all the way down to 0, then you can DPS them down faster. But, and then these guys here, there's really no, there's really not a whole lot you can do. The best thing to do is just get knocked off your horse as quick as possible. Because, and it's gonna happen, because it's gonna take, you know, I got three elites that are like beating on me, so and it's really not gonna go very well for me there. Oh, I'm gonna get a few shots in though. It's kind of good. I guess it helps a little, because at least you get there, you DPS them down a little bit. So there I'm getting, there we go. See, now I'm stunned. And I want to put on my, okay, do I have my, there we go. Now at least I got my, alright. There we go. Where's my water elemental? Do I need to resummon him? I think I do. There we go. And whoever's basically, oh, you can blink out of, I think I got them all. Okay. All right, so then once that's done, it's pretty easy. It's pretty easy after that. Now it's just, all right, and that's it. See, everything's real easy after this. It's just you get the. Oh, see, now I'm doing this with a cloth where I'm getting the transmogs though for it at least. And I think they changed this instance where you get only things for your class. But it's kind of interesting. You get like
How may I help? Be careful.
stuff you can wear. You get enough money. You get a couple of $100 gold for doing this. Plus you get like transmog stuff. So she's not gonna be able to get anything this time. My main got one armor item upgrade. Oh, and it's Edric the Pure. Okay. All right. I know I don't have enough power to just kill him outright. He'll put on his pally shield. Oh, Uker appeared and helped me kill the pally. I don't know. Let me see. Is there a can I get them all? I really can't. All right. So basically just All right. And sometimes you get some greens from those guys. So, what do you mean by a challenge? What kind of a challenge? Do I fancy a challenge? I don't know. Hard to say. What did you have in mind? Let me ask you that.
Prepare yourselves! I yield! I submit! Excellent work!
Okay, he says, may I run away now? May I run away now, like Monty Python. Okay. And it is time to,
Till next week.
all right, here we go. This is gonna be, yeah, I mean, I'm pretty rusty because I haven't done a project in a good long while. The last thing I wrote for myself was MIDI Archiver, and
Did you honestly think
I did a little scripting in Lua more recently, and wrote some WoW add-ons, but I never released them on Curse. And I don't know, a few little things like that, but when it comes to actual work, it's been a long time. It's been a decade or something. So, skills rusty? Yes, skills are rusty. All right, can I get this guy or what? All right. All right, now what?
My rotting flesh was just
His
getting in the
rotting
way.
flesh was just getting in the way. So let's just AoE this guy. Okay.
I have no need for bones, no less.
All right. He's gone. Yes, I did. So, was that it? Go now and rest? Okay, so I've done everything. All right. So, if I give you a Word document to create a simple length and width calculator with a few constraints, I have given the same documentation to all of my peers. A Word document to create a simple length and width calculator with a few constraints. So it is a well, I mean, I can try. I don't know what kind of result. I'm not sure what kind of a length and width calculator it needs to be. Like, is it a length and width calculator of a document? So I have to use the built-in Windows font information, and actually calculate the size of the document? Or is it just a length and width calculator for something specific? Or, I don't know, you could just email me your document and I can see if I can make heads or tails of it. But like I said, I'm kind of rusty, so don't expect much. But you've got my email. You can mail it to me if you want. If I can do something with it, I guess I will. But yeah, we'll see. Look at this. You can jump right up on these carts. That's kind of neat. I never noticed that before. But I mean, the reason why I don't want to write this sound program, this radio dump program, basically, is because one of the things I've never done is I've never worked with audio streams, and it sounds really hard, to me. So, But I don't know. See, I haven't even decided if I'm going to try retuning my skills. So I guess, you know, I mean, I'll have a look at it though and see if it prompts me to do the thing you want me to do to it. But you sound like you're a good coding manager though. It sounds like you know kind of, but oh, here comes the big attack, but the sisters are already captured, and these vengeful Valkyr are doing their thing. So, I don't know. So I guess now I'm gonna just abandon this big thing. They used to like attack. They used to like these big Valkyr here. They used to fly in with this raid. They come yelling and they come flying in, and then they say, no, our sisters are captured, and I think nothing happens here though. Like, they used to come down here, and then these two mages would come up and capture these two boss Valkyr and capture them there in front of the tournament and put them on display, and now they've just been stuck there for years. So, I don't know. I am tempted though. I am tempted to try writing. I mean, it's basically whenever you do a new project, you just kind of delve into the things you need most for it, and then you just kind of go from there. You know, when it's for Microsoft, the Microsoft knowledge base is very frustrating, because things are divided up sometimes in really, or this is my experience, is that they're divided up in not very logical ways. So the one thing you're looking for could be like in a document for like a specific DLL or something, and sometimes you think it should just be right there, but it's not, and it's very confusing. Our sisters have been captured. Fall back, so they fall back now. But see, their sisters have been captured like 5 years ago. So, anyway, I should go fly out here. So yeah, you know, go ahead and email me this document, Mr. Mean. I'll take a look at it. Maybe it'll prompt me to brush off the rusty skills. That sounds kind of cool. So I guess it's Draughton Hrothgar this time, right? Blow the horn and summon the dude up here. And, I don't know. Oh, Mr. Mean Galaxy, you should see Plaguey's eyes light up when she heard about your package and, how, you know, what you were gonna do, and she just thought that was just incredible. So maybe I should just get rid of these two guys, eh? Not that it matters that much with Legion level gear, but let's blow the horn and deal with the dude here. Here he is. He's gonna jump down from there, and I'm probably gonna one-shot him. But he's not gonna, he has a little speech to give first, and then after that we just kind of have to go down here and I don't know. They kind of just turn into seaweed when they die. I don't know what these guys are. What's their story? Why do they turn into seaweed? What are these magical creatures? Why do they do what they do, I wonder? So I think I can do one here. And I guess I'll go down, what, this way or something? I don't know. Here's another one. Yeah, I'll look for it in my email. I'll type that to you just in case you're not there. I know you've got lots of family responsibilities, so... Alright. So what am I doing? Why am I killing these guys? I really don't need to be doing that, really. I just need to be doing this. But I guess I might as well loot a few things while I'm coming down here. It kind of makes sense, I guess. How many of these guys do I need? A few more, huh? Alright. They definitely, drop some stuff. They drop some greens too. It's actually pretty good drops they have. If you're just grinding for gold, you know. I suppose, you know. Okay. Get some scrolls and some stuff here. I guess I'm done, though, aren't I? Alright. Well, I don't know very much. Thank you very much. I don't know if I'll be able to do it in 2 days, but we'll see. You know, I don't even have any programmer's tools installed on my main machine. I think I might have some installed on my laptop. I'll have to check it out and see. You know, since I bought my new laptop and stuff, I really haven't been programming, so I haven't installed anything like that. So we'll have to see. So what happens to me if I don't make it in 2 days? Is it something bad? Will something bad happen? Or is it just an arbitrary period of time? And I win if I make it and I lose if I don't? But like God isn't going to strike me down if I don't make it in 2 days or something like that, or does something super awesome happen if I make it within 2 days? Or I'm not sure. I'm just rambling now randomly. I don't know what I'm talking about anymore. Probably it's going to take me 1 day just to install any kind of programming stuff. Yeah, I do, actually. I do. I know that. You can, I should be able to, you know, I mean, it's getting everything up and working is the hard part, you know, because I know Visual Studio's free now. I'm pretty sure I have it on my, I think I have it on my gaming laptop, actually. I'm pretty sure I do, and I'm sure I have the Visual C and the C stuff on there. But we'll see. Okay, I'll have a look at it and see if I can do it. See if I can do it in the allotted time. So I guess what I have to do here is probably equip the lance, right? And pick up a mount here and do that, because I guess we're trying to run down the clock on your teleportation thing. Ah, it's already run down, and it doesn't even matter. Actually, doesn't matter. So, like, what's the closest flight point? Ah, it doesn't even matter. There's really no point. It's so close. Maybe I ought to just fly down and do that right now. I don't know. I have no idea. It doesn't really matter. I think I'll do it just like I did last time. You're a very interesting person, Mr. Mean Galaxy. I think, you know, you strike me as not being neurotypical, which is not unusual in people that are in your field. You have a very interesting set of things that you talk about and that you do, and you know, whatever. I don't know, man. It looks like I need to go down with my res again here. I don't know what to do. It looks terrible when I set it down to, you know, the 1,000 range, but I think I have no choice right now. So, all right. What am I doing here? Oh gosh, not multitasking. That's for sure. That's one thing I know I'm not doing. So, yeah. Yeah, that still works. Anyway, I don't know. What do I want to do now? Undead, maybe? Undead, I guess.
Speak quickly. Trust no one.
Trust no one. Alright. Did they actually fix the way the horses work? Or what? No, they didn't. They did not fix it. I thought they might have, but let me see. So what else? Dwarves? How about dwarves here?
What's happening?
What's happening? Okay. All right, there we go.
Ah, I've been expecting you.
Thunder Bluff?
Well met.
Sure, what the hey? All right. He's gonna make a run, huh? All right. Okay. We'll get some sleep, and I'll let you know when I have you set your staff very small assignments, typically 1 to 4 hours to create, just so you know. Just so I know if they need support. I have noted that some staff do not code something in the correct manner, therefore I always ensure they are not pressured, or if I can help them. I only do this once per year. That's interesting. Keeps people on their toes by the sounds of it. Yeah, I'll probably... I'll probably make some noob mistake, even if I do get it working. I'll probably do it the wrong way. Who knows? We'll see what happens. We'll see what happens. Mr. Mean, is your staff local or are they located all over the world? You've probably already gone to sleep by now, so that's fine. All right. All right, did I get all their loot? All in one? I guess I did, okay. All right, let me see here. I'm in touch with individuals all over the world, although the individuals I'm responsible for are local. Okay, I see. Okay, that's good to know. I was just curious, like a lot of times programming teams are just multinational these days. All right, I guess I don't need any more keys. Is that true? You can only have like the maximum. Yeah, I see.
Greetings. Work complete.
All right. All right. Well, at that level, I think there's, you know, it's very different. Like I have a friend that's a programmer. He works on very high level stuff, very interesting, and he like oh, Dr. Kohler never drops anything. All right, I don't know.
Work complete.
I forgot the Black Knight is sitting here. Like, why is the Black Knight here? What's this all about? He doesn't say anything when you click on him. He's just the Black Knight. All right, well. All right. So, all right. I guess that's it. It's Chillmaw next. And we'll go ahead and do that. And we'll have to do that thing with the drum last. Anyway, I don't want to keep you up, Mr. Mean. And thank you for answering that, though. Yeah. Okay. Alrighty. And let's see, where am I going here? Chilmaw, it's down here. He's down here. He's totally down here. So I got like, yeah, there he is. I'm probably not going to get him in time. He's probably too far down. Let's see. Oh, I got him. All right. They were very confused. So then you kind of have to go down here and just like these guys. I gotta get these things. I need like 6 of them, I think. Whoops, didn't mean to shoot him. Well, that's that, I guess. Oh, I don't think I have the right thing up here. I gotta put this on the thing. It says I've got 2 right now. So I gotta get more of these for sure. Alright, I can do that. Okay, I saved this one in the nick of time. And let's see. I need more of these. Looks like I need 3 more. There's one I can save. I need 3 more. And I think this is 1 more here. All right. And then after this, it's Commanders, and then the Drums of Wazname. There's that rare. Putridus the Ancient. I probably have gotten him on this tune before, but I don't know. Let's just have a look, I guess. Alright, well. I guess I got something. Giant's Toe Wrap of the Bandit. Alright. Oh, and a band. I see, that's where the satchel comes from. The satchel has some gold in it, I guess. Alright. So let's see, what's this? Is this a leather piece? Oh, it's BOE too. It can go to a leather wearer. But it's learned already, so it doesn't matter. It can go for sale. I've got this and this. There's is this a what? A mace? Just whoever can wear it whoever can use a mace. I can send that to a warrior. Also another mace. All right, so that's that, I guess. And I'm not doing anything with horses. I just want to fly over to where there's commanders and kill them. It should be pretty easy. So. All right. All right. Your dodge rating. There's one there. They can go. All right. How many of these do I need? I need one more, probably. There should be more, like, close by, though. Shouldn't there, like, without having to go in the middle here? But I guess it doesn't really matter. Alright, I guess that's it. And then in the storm peaks, I have to go to this. So let me put that on the map. And I can kind of... So, yeah, you know, when it comes to these, I mean, you get like a pretty good amount of gold for these, plus whatever you pick up incidentally. And then you get, you know, upgrade items. So, it's kind of worth it to do, I guess. But I guess that's kind of what I feel like doing today, so that's what I'm going to do. It looks like I'm in the green anyway. I don't know. I'm not sure what the deal is with, I don't know, ever since I changed my audio to 48, seems like I had a little trouble, but I also updated my video driver, so something wacky going on there. I don't know. Precision XOC is okay to run. I think it, like, I don't know, I think I'm probably running the default settings anyway, so there's no reason to have it running, probably. But I want to put my drum thing on the special key. There we go. And, so you kind of want to do, you kind of want to hit the drum and then hit your mount right away, so then you don't have to mess with these dwarves if you get dwarves instead of snake. And then you can just fly on to the next one. You don't have to mess with these guys. Here's a... Alright, I don't know what that flurry thing was. Why am I not seeing any, there they are. They're phasing. They're phasing in a big way here. Alright. So, it's probably because she hasn't done that content yet. That's kind of what I'm guessing. Alright. So, there's two. Yeah. There's one. All right, that's number 3. And here we go. Yeah. Alright, there it is. And, oh, I guess so. Basically, the thing to do here is just to hit the teleport now, right? Because I just need to go right back to where I was. And it kind of doesn't matter, I think, when it comes to, like, what, kind of doesn't matter as far as what I turn in first, because I don't think I'm gonna have enough to get an upgrade item, not for a few times on this character. So basically, just
Be careful.
turn these in.
Death to all who oppose us.
Hello. Be careful.
All right.
King's honor, friend.
And you want to take the champion's purse because it's got an extra champion's mark in it.
Arcanon Poros. Good health, long
So you
life.
get a pretty good haul for this little group over here. So now I've got 18. And I'll get like 3 more over here. In addition to the ones I got for doing the tournament. Alright, here we go. You're listening.
Careful. Hello. Good luck, friend.
Alrighty then. Alright, well I guess that's it. I guess that's all I've got. I can get rid of like all of the stuff that I've acquired here for now. There's a vendor right here, right? I can just vend all this. There we go.
Good luck, friend.
Whoopsie, I don't want to go to Suramar. I want to go to Stormwind.
Well met.
Got Dalaran Broken Isles and Portal Dalaran Broken Isles. That's the one thing I can't portal to yet. Okay. Alright. So there's that. I've got some I got some stuff I can distribute. All right. I got some stuff from the auction house even. Look at that. And I've got, let's see, so I can send some things out. This is leather. It's learned, okay? Don't send it out. Just auction it. And then I've got, this is a mace. This can go to a warrior. Anything, so let's see. Let me send that to her. And this is what? That's already learned, so basically that's really all needs to go out. And then these 2 items, I guess, can just get auctioned real quick. Because I might as well. So, alright. It's all about the dancing. And, so I got a short list here. I guess I could just refresh the list, right? Okay, mead-basted caribou does not need to be sold on the auction house. That, yeah. So, I'll just sell everything else. These things are just regular food, so there's no point in selling that. I should probably do a quick check on these 2 things. I'll take Of the Bandit off of this. And 6,000 and 1,000. I don't know what this, like, I don't know what, like, this, looks like if I don't know why those would be in some terrible demand, for transmog. I don't know. Maybe they're good, items for whatever, but I'm just gonna do that. And when it comes to this, I'll do the same thing. I'll give this a search, take Of the Gorilla off, kind of look for this as a transmog thing, I guess. Nothing, found nothing, so basically just... Alright. And just search that. I can get rid of these food items. They're not gonna go for anything. They're just for whatever.
Well met.
Alright. So there's that. That's that then. I guess that's pretty good. I don't know, I'm kind of in the mood to just do more of this. I really am. I don't really want to do anything else right now. So, morning coffee stream, you know. So let's see what we got now. I guess we'll take Alesa in there too, because she'd be next on the list. She has kind of a I guess now she doesn't. Does she have the? She does have the tabard, so she can just tabard in there. So now I think she can benefit from doing the quest, turning in the 10 gold. So, Argent Crusade 130. Why not? So, here we go.
We will persevere.
What can I do for you? See you around.
Alright.
What brings you here? See, next we meet
I hope you'll see the merit of these events in time, Garrosh. We cannot win against the Scourge if we continue to war against one another.
Good fortune.
So, yeah, I guess if I go to, I go over here, and I'm not gonna be getting the, I don't know how far I am along in this. So.
How are you?
Oh, right, the Valiance charge. How many of these seals do I need? How many do I have? That's the question. Valiant seals. I got 5. Oh, I just started it, right? Oh, right. I have to like do the thing. Don't I have a? Don't I have like, hang on a second. Don't I have like, didn't I get a thing yesterday for that? Ice Crown tournament. Not really. It doesn't, yeah, I don't have anything for... There's nothing here for this yet. So basically just get these quests and that's it. Basically there's the Edge of Winter.
I've the finest wares in the land.
So the Edge of Winter is going to be a... now I can't remember what the best way of doing this is. Like, since now this is not on cooldown and this is like 30 minutes, so basically I think I just have to go ahead and fly down here and do this one thing. I think there's like one thing, right? Yeah. Hrothgar, Draughton Hrothgar. So I don't have the other quests yet for that. Cool the Reckless and whatnot, you know. Yeah, I don't know. Yeah, sometimes I think you're getting views from people that aren't even logged in, so I think that actually happens sometimes. You know, I kind of like, I don't know, I can't believe anyone would watch this, though. I'm just doing this stuff over and over again with different characters. So I just have to come here and blow the horn. So, at least I have a good ranged attack on this character, so it's not too bad. Oh, I didn't do the trial yet. I should do that after I get back from this, because otherwise I'm gonna forget to do it. So let's see, blow of the horn. And there he is. And he even dies to my wimpy Moonfire, Night Elf Moonfire. Okay, well that's that then. So I can just head on back to the tournament, and I'll go in the dungeon and do the dungeon thing then. I can maybe even... I think I have a lance, yeah. Okay, I'll save it, but there's no point. It never saves. Only when you get the right lance. I don't know exactly which lance is the right lance, but one of them is, because my main has it, and she has not lost her lance yet for a long time. All right, so here we go. We definitely want to get on the lance. Got the lance on. Got to make sure we've got heroic. Yes, there's a skull, so that's heroic. And you got to get a horse. This has to be performed on the horse. There's no... And if you get off the horse yourself, I think it restarts it. Although I'm not sure. Maybe once the bosses attack you, it doesn't matter. But I haven't tested it out in a while.
Be careful.
So we'll see here. All right. Here come the undead. Here come the Tauren. And here come the orcs. So who's first? Okay. Feel the wrath of my lance. Alright. Yeah, if I get their defenses down to 0, at least I can deal with them faster. And more effort than that, it's not really worth it. But getting one shield breaker in so that I can DPS them down a little faster is, I guess, worth it. So, all right, there we go. Okay. All right. So I think this is generally the best approach. And then whatever you do for the other thing, it's almost better if maybe you just get knocked off the horse as fast as you can. And, but it doesn't really matter, I guess, so... You can just do whatever you want. I'm not doing anything that requires any great ability here. I'm just spamming all my attacks until there we go. So now I gotta do this. I'm stunned, but I want my armor to go back on, and all right. Now it's Moonfire time. Oopsie. Okay, he's got like a redo. I think that could be it. I think that's it. Running around in Moonfire, boy, this is really the best, the easiest I've ever done it is on a druid. Because you don't get constantly stunned then, but... Alright. Alright, that's that. And that is the hard one bit. Definitely the hard one bit. So, I got something to go to the banker, too, clearly. Alright. So, and then I start the next thing, which is going to be, I think it's Edric the Pure this time. So that's kind of what, oops. Guess I want to, and I don't think I have anything powerful enough to get these pallies down without them putting up their shield.
I will not hold back.
Yeah, they even get their shield up, like, I don't know. Oh, well, Moonfire worked. Alright, well, maybe I should be using Moonfire then. Alright. Alright, they didn't drop any greens this time.
Prepare yourselves! I yield! I submit! Excellent!
Okay. You may run away. You may run away now. Yeah, run away now. Okay. Alright. I got a gray. Alright. Yeah, that's about it. So, now it's the Black Knight, and, we'll see how that goes. I think we kind of go right about here, isn't that right?
You spoiled my grand entrance, rat. Did you honestly think an agent of the Lich King would be bested on the field of your pathetic little tournament?
Well, I just went up 200 in bitrate.
I've come to finish my task.
Seems like it might be okay. Finish my task.
This farce ends.
Alright.
My rotting flesh was just getting in the way.
Alright. Rotting flesh was just getting in the way. I have no need for bones.
I have no need for bones to best you. No. Listen.
Alright, champion seal. 3 extra champion seals for doing this on heroic. And that's it. So now let's see. So I'm gonna need the lance again. And I'm going to need a mount. So I think I can it'll just whatever, yeah. Okay, so I got like both, I got both, whatchamacallums here. So I just have to go up, and I have to do more I have to do 3 of these, and then Torin.
How may I aid you? May the eternal sun...
Alright. And 1, 2, 3 of these, right? So that's basically all I have to do. Oh, she got a good shot in. That's pretty good. Alright, was that 2? And maybe, what, Blood Elf?
The dark times will pass.
I like that. You have a good attitude. Dark times will pass. I agree. Okay. Okay, so that's that. And then we can now go back to the big ring and do 4 more. And that will be that. So, let's see. When it comes to... so I need 4 more, so it's got to be, say dwarves.
What's on your mind?
Sure.
Safe travels.
Alright. That's what I did this time. And I'm just going to do Alliance, I guess, mostly here.
Can I help you? See you around.
Alright, that's one way of doing it. So,
Hello.
hello.
Well.
Alright. And somehow, because of this, I'm even better now at this than I was. But,
The Naru have not forgotten us.
alright. The Naru have not forgotten us, I know. Alright. But I can definitely, Alright, that's it. That's the end of it. And, now I guess I'm done with my lance.
Work complete.
Now, when it comes to Cult of the Dam members, is that a thing, right? Yeah. There's actually other places where you can get them, but yeah, they go down pretty easy. Alright, let me see here. Alright, let me see. I guess I just really have to... Alright, how many more of these do I have to kill here? I guess a few more. Alright, let me see. Let me get some that are close together here. Alright, I should be able to loot them all because they're kind of in a good grouping. Is that it? Probably chill maw, right? Well, I know like on one character I had some kind of like, I got to the end of something. I don't remember what character it was. But I don't know why, I just feel like doing this, so I'm doing this. And I got it. Alright, that's all three. So, Fate of the Fallen.
Work complete.
And that's about it. And then I have to go down here and do this. Then I have drums. Or do I have the drum thing? I don't have the drum thing because that's part of that. That's part of the other set of quests. So basically just stealth kitty. Wow. I just saw one spawn. That's unusual. I want to put him here actually, right? Ooh, I can do this in kitty form. That's good. Okay. I need more of these crystals. I don't think I have any more. Boy, you came close, buddy. They almost got you. So, alright, there's one up here. One more is it, and I don't have any more relics either. I gotta get at least one more relic. Or I mean one more crystal. It looks like this would be a good one. Alright. And let me see. When it comes to the... I gotta go down here and get the... I think this is where they are, right? Sort of down here. Converted heroes. Yeah. All right, well. Okay.
Work complete.
All right, that's it. And I got to get all the dudes down here, and I don't need the horse for that anymore. Alright, Stealth Kitty. Stealth Kitty. He's a kitty that can nuke these guys. Alright.
Complete.
All right, do I need any commanders? I don't need commanders. Do I just need these guys up here. Whoopsie. These are the guys I still need, huh? Bunch of these. I usually try to get more of them on my way in so it doesn't seem like it takes so long, but now I guess I didn't do it that way. One more, one more, one more. All right, here we go. And at this point, I think I just have to do the Edge of Winter, which is... oh, wait. The Edge of Winter is going to require Lord Everblaze, right? Winter's Edge. Yeah, that's going to be Lord Everblaze. So that's... I got to go to where Dalaran is for this. Yeah. Sure thing. At least I have Crystal Song Forest, boy. I'm happy with that, I guess. And I don't know. I can't remember where I'm heading. Oh, Crystal Song Forest. It's that building right over there. And then after that, it's sort of just fly out to that lady. She's way out there. But this has never really been on the this has never been on the quest log. You just have to kill this guy over and over. Poor guy, he gets killed all the time. And then let me see. When I take off here, let's see. Edge of Winter. It's this one, right? Okay, for sure. For sure, for sure. For sure, for sure. Okay. I guess we fly out into the over the horizon. There we go. I have my map, my mini map actually, you know, doesn't face north. So I have such a poor sense of direction that I just usually just you know, face it the way I'm facing. It makes it easier for me to find things in WoW that way. And everyone that's sort of ASMRing, you know, I want to have a curiosity about something. Well, I'm going to switch my views here for a moment and just check something out here. All right, well, I think I passed her by, didn't I? While I was doing that. Happens every time. I don't know, so I'm getting a much better connection now. Maybe I'll try upping my bandwidth another 200 and see how that works. So once I get into prime time, though, it'll be over again. It'll all be over. And, yeah, I don't know. Okay, Lord Everblazes, Ever Blazing Heart, or whatever. And she gave it to me, right? And she's, we're done, right? I think that's everything, right? I think so, yeah. So, let's see, where's my, that's my teleport back. I might as well use it here. All right. Now, I'm pretty sure my, the stuff I don't have very much, so there's no point in me.
Need something?
I should just do this. I should just do this all. Last week's mammoth. That's a recipe I guess I can use. So, last week's mammoth. That doesn't sound good. So,
be careful. Light be with you. Light bless you.
May the light embrace you. Seek the path of the light.
all right, here we go.
Great to meet you. Off with you.
And this one here.
My attention. Off with you.
And then this
Well
one
met.
here. I've got the Edge of Winter.
Keep your feet
And
on
there
the
you
ground.
go.
What can I do
Valiant
for you?
Seals.
See you soon.
Got another whole bunch more to get. I can get these. I get some gold. Alrighty then. I guess that's about it. Alright, let me see what else I got here. Not a lot. I can get rid of at least my grays and these items that I'm not going to be wearing, and that's that. Basically that. Well, I've got like these food items I could get rid of too. There's like caribou and so there's that. I guess that's about it.
Good luck, friend.
So I'll hearth back, and it's probably another character I can do this with, but well, that's that. I get nothing for turning these in, right? Reputation and 45 EXP, Silver Covenant rep. I don't know if it's so I don't know if it's a matter of getting now let's see. Sidare, I guess. Now, I don't believe she has the yeah, she doesn't have the item yet. And I usually get the item. I usually get the tabard for all my tunes that are going to do this. Even though it costs 50, it's still convenient. But, so here I am in the pavilion here, and, oh, I think I had, like, I have to go do the Argent champion thing, and... So, let's see. All right. And here we go. So now I have to go do... Oh, what? She's got something in the mail. Just a leather item. Is that everything there is? There. Alright. So that's that. And she can go down here and, do this, whatever it is here. So, I think it's kind of like I talk to one of these guys over here and do this thing. Is this the guy? Is it Squire David? It is, yeah. No, it's not. It's this other guy over here. Is it? Yeah, it's this other guy over here. It's this other ring. It's the champion's ring, right? Squire Danny is who I have to talk to here. Alright, let's do it, you guys. Alright, here we go. Okay, I did it. Woohoo, yeah. And, I guess that's about it for now. And,
Work complete.
we have to fly back here. And then I guess it's like on to the next, it's like on to the next level or something. I'm not sure. Like, see, who do I talk to here? Oh, it's over here. Right?
Ishnuala.
I got it.
Del Nadu.
Okay. Darnassus champion. And now I have to pick one of them, right? So we'll just go with Exidar, I guess.
Good fortune.
Because why not?
Do not lose faith. Dionys Arcanon Pos.
May the light embrace you. Safe
Alright.
journey.
You just kind of have to do these. I don't know if you have to do them all. I guess you do. It's either that or the rep, but I really don't know. I'll go down to Silver Covenant Pavilion and see if there's like more quests in there now for me or whatever. I don't know how it works. Yeah, there are. Yeah, there are. All like the ones I expect to be here are here.
We will
now,
have justice.
Oh, and of course I can do the I can do the little guy now, huh?
What brings you here? Need help? Or the Alliance?
Oh, there's only one I could get from that guy, huh? Look at that. It's interesting. Oh, I gotta do this. There's more.
Glory to the Sindori.
Alright. So what do I have to do for that? Defeat the Black Knight. But I can do that. And if I want to defeat the Black Knight, I guess I have to get on a thing again, huh? Oh no. Okay. Oh no. Oh, look at that. I was like not changing from my gameplay view. All right. Well, boy, that's bad. It's lame. Lamer ban, and nobody said anything. Nobody saw. Nobody saw. It was just me. And that's the way it goes. That's the way it goes. Oh, and I don't want to forget to do the tournament too, because I think that's part of what I have to do too. So let's see. Here we go. All right, Black Knight. How do I talk to the Black? How do I do the Black Knight thing? I think I talked to Squire, one of these squires here, right? Squire Calvin. No. Where is there? All right. Who do I talk to? Oh, you have to use the Argent charger, and then speak to. You have to use the Argent charger. I see. All right. Well, that's what I didn't realize. Argent charger. Where is that Argent charger? Right here, right? There we go. That's how you do it. Okay. All right, Black Knight it is. Is this it? He's gonna use his flying mount as a charger. Okay, Black Knight. Get off the horse and fight me man to man? Really? Okay. Alright. Okay, well, that was easy. Okay, that's been done. And now I can turn that in. Now, I don't know if this is a quest series, like I have to do something, but I might have to do
The
something
eternal
more.
sun guides us.
It's just a flesh wound.
Salama
Now she wants me to
Ashalanore.
do something else. Investigate the Black Knight's grave. Okay, so this is really the next stage in this. And you kind of have to do this. I mustn't forget to do the tournament, though. The tournament is the thing I should be doing. So, investigate the Black Knight's grave. This is where I have to go, like, to Cult Saboteur, Cult Assassin. Alright. That's it. Cult of the Damned member. I guess he qualified.
Work complete.
So now that I've done that, now what? Now is she gonna send me over to the Black Knight's camp and do that? All right. So here's this. And now that I've done this, I can get this other. I can get this other quest. Now that I've done that, I guess. And okay. Baladash Malinore. And what's she gonna want me to do now? She's gonna want me to do more stuff, evidently. So now let's see. Dr. Kohler's orders. Okay, I can do it. So I can do it while I'm slaughtering the Cult of the Damned members. So, yeah. And, I'm just, kind of hanging out here. Let's see. So what am I guess I will go up. I'll check out Dr. Kohler here first. Because I know this is what I need to do is get him. So, alright. He's dead. That was easy. And, got his orders.
Work complete.
Okay. Okay. Gotta get these guys. Might as well while I'm here. And, because then I won't have to come up here again, really. Alright, let me see. There's no, what's the cooldown on that? Oh, I see. It's a double cooldown. Alright, so, I really don't know how to play this type of character. I just don't know what I'm doing. But I can get these guys while I'm here. How many of these guys do I need? I guess, I guess one more, huh? Alright. That's at least I've done that, and, so now I think, now that I've done this, I should probably turn this in and see what... She's gonna want me to go to the island, right? I don't know. Maybe in order to not forget what I'm doing, maybe I'll just, maybe I'll just go do whatever. I don't know. Okay, it looks like heroic, so it's set correctly. And, I I guess I'm just gonna go in here and do whatever. I need to get on a horse, because that's what you have to do. Now, I don't remember if I've done this yet. I think I must have, because, well, if it lets me skip the pageantry, I've done it before. Yes, I have. Okay. I guess I did it also yesterday. So, yeah. Yeah. Maybe I should turn this down a little. But anyway, I guess let's see who shows up first here. It looks like Torin, huh? All right. If I can knock their shield down, then I can get rid of them faster. Nothing fancy. Just hit them a few times and they go down. And then let's see. All right, we're gonna go with this thing. Come in. I got my hands full here, though. Oh, thank you. I did not. Sure. Yeah, I guess so. Thank you. All right. I'm getting Darnassus rep by doing this. That's kind of interesting. All right. And yeah, when they don't have the shield around them, they do go down much faster. All right. Was that it? I think that was it. And now I just have to go, I'm just gonna do whatever. They're like, there's probably, like, if I had the right skill, I probably could, I could probably do this. Come on in. I could probably do this without, without dying. There might be a way to do it while staying on the horse. I don't know. I mean, I haven't even ever really looked into it, to be honest. So I just want to be knocked off the horse, and I'm gonna just all right, well, I managed to get one of them down completely. There we go. So I'm gonna go ahead and put my normal gear back on, and then I can like, did I get him? I think I got him. Yeah, I did. I got him. I got him. And, so it's pretty much smooth sailing from here now. They just appear, they reappear here, and I fight them in melee. Thank you very much. Alright, and they're gone. Champion seal. And let me see. I guess I want to put these down here. Dr. Kohler's orders. Right, okay. So I got this. I just have to talk to this guy again to go on to this. And it's Edric the Pure. We already know. It's Edric the Pure. So... No, it's Palatrus.
Thank
Look
you,
at that.
Harold. Your words are too kind. May the light give me strength to provide a worthy challenge.
All right. Well, okay. Evidently, I can deal with the Pally. Well, these are pretty easy on a demon hunter. Yeah, I can do it, right? Yeah, got them all.
Well then, let us begin.
She's just gonna...
Time to consider your past deeds.
It's gonna be Hogger. It's always Hogger. Lately, it's just always Hogger.
Even the darkest memory fades when confronted.
Okay. Thank you very much.
How may I help? Good luck, friend.
You spoiled my grand entrance, rat.
My grand entrance, rat.
Alright. Yeet.
Did you honestly think an agent of the Lich King would be bested on the
Argent
field of
Arena?
your
Yeah, that's what I felt like doing today. I grind some more heirlooms up to tier 1.
Finish my task.
Come to finish my task. I can throw the glaive at you.
This farce.
Alright. Alright.
My rotting flesh was just getting in the way.
Alright. Alright. Yeah, I have no need of bones. Yeah, and you gotta run it, you gotta solo it on heroic, so you get the extra champions marks. That's really what it's all about at this point. That's a leather item, but it's one I have already, so that can go to the banker. And I wanted to remember to get this, so I got the loot, right? Yeah. So 3 champions marks, it's worth it. You could do it pretty fast. The hard part is the horses, because you have to do it. You have to do it. Yeah, you have to do it. You have to do it on the horses at the first part, and so there's no way to do it fast. You have to like. It's a huge pain, really. Let's see. So now that I've done that,
Overlord Hellscream.
what am I supposed to do? Didn't she give me a task to do with the Black Knight's fate? Oh, I have to turn it in. Is this a thing where I have to go to Westfall now?
I hope you'll see the merit of these events in time, Garrosh.
A new
We cannot win against the scourge.
Or I think I've
continue
already
to
done
war
that on
against
this
one another.
character.
Sunwell.
Okay, that was it. That was it. Okay, now I can just do all the other stuff. Yeah, it's a way of not spending gold to get your heirlooms and your a lot of your heirloom items and a lot of their upgrades. So probably Drotten Hrothgar. Did I do that yet? I did not. So 390 speed mount. I don't know. I don't feel like spending $5,000 to get like an extra 10% speed. So it's not even really worth it to me, really. Although it does speed things up a little. It's not much of a reward, though, going from 390 to 410. So... Alright, so here we are here. What's this? It's like telling me haven't I turned this in yet or something? I don't know. Alright. There's really no need to do this. Like, clear this out first. Alright. But I guess I got a little gold for it, so it's okay. Blow the Hrothgar horn. Where how come that's not showing up on the quest log? Alright. Alright, he's dead. And, now we just have to go back and, now we just have to go back to the tournament and just kind of follow it on down. It doesn't really matter. My hearth is already on cooldown, so I really can do it in any order. So I might as well just do it however. I probably have to... It's probably the edge of winter, right? Isn't it? Or... Yeah, worthy weapon, winter hyacinth. It's... Oh no, it's not the same. Well, I thought they were always the same. But I guess it's random now. It didn't used to be. It used to be a specific one. But I don't know why it's not. That's interesting. So I guess I have to do the, hey, Saneless, how are you doing? Lurkin. I give you a lurk back. And, so let's see, I usually like this mount. I don't know why. I feel like I do better on it. Makes no sense, really, because they all perform the same. But there's something like about the shape and size of this mount that makes it easier for me. I don't know what it is, really. I guess I'll go do the, I'll go run over to the Horde here first and do that first. The Horde is closer, so I'll just run up here. And do 3 of those. Alright.
Anubilore Delana.
Alright, that's one. I could do another one over here. Okay, let's do it. Come on, let's do it. Later, man. There we got him. Okay. Need to do one more, maybe undead.
What is it?
I gotta get in position here anyway. Let's...
What now?
What's now?
Victory for Sylvanas.
Victory for Sylvanas. Alright, that's it. I can do some more over here then. And we'll see how it goes. It's not too hard, really. They used to scale up to whatever level you are. Now they only scale up to 80, but still, it's not a big deal.
Talk to me. Safe travels.
Alrighty then.
Can I help you?
Okay.
See you around.
Alright, that was it. I got 2 of 4. I usually just work my way down this side here.
Elune Adore. Be careful.
Alright. And we can do it. We can do another. And there we go. Alrighty. Okie doke.
Work complete.
And now it's Chilma. So let's see. It's Blade of Drac. We have to get the flowers for the blade, right? It's the Ice Crown's dam or glacier or whatever. Glacier, as they say in some parts of the world. Glacier. So, yeah, let's see. I got pills here. Pills. Yeah. And here's Chilma's Peak. I guess you had to, that's interesting, you had to defeat the Black Knight specifically in order to get the Chilma quest. But you didn't have to turn it in. That was kind of interesting. Or maybe just get the quest right before it. I'm not sure, actually. But let's see what happens here. And I got my glaive throw, right? So, what's this one? I-beam. Oh, that one I need, like, whatever energy for. Whatever, I don't know. Ah, that took him out. Okay. Alright. I guess that was that. And then,
Work complete.
so let's see. Fate of the Fallen. I should put that key on here then. I should put this on a key. And I'm right here. Okay, and I gotta get, I don't need these up here. Okay. All right, there's one. Here's another. 2. There's one there. Alright, I don't know how many more I need. Looks like I need 2 more, so I don't need any more crystals then. Alright, I was too late on that one. There's more here. There's one. And, alright. I think that was it, right? So now I have to just get these ones. So these are the, this should be pretty easy as a demon hunter, because I have that attack that plows through everything. So, that should be something, I guess. I don't know. I don't know what any of these things are now at this point. Alright, there they are in a line. Alright. And right over here, I guess. Okay. Took care of them. And then, I guess I have to do these 2 down here. So it's commanders and all the other things. And, oh man, I just remembered this. This was just so different. Something's going on here. I don't know what. Anyway. Yeah, it's pretty much... This is going to be a little tough because, I mean, not tough, but... Okay, some of these, I don't have... I think that's the only ranged attack I have. And it's got a cooldown. Oh, I guess I can do that, too. Alright. That was so hard. We have the glaive throw on cooldown still. Yeah, like, Alright, I still need a commander. I mean, I still need a lieutenant here. And any more commanders? No. Just, So good, glad you're still here, man. I'm giving you a lurk back. That's it. So, let me see, what else do I have? I think that's it, right? So basically, it's just go over to the dam. It's not very far, actually. Gotta fly over these mountains here, these rocks. And get some flowers. Always nice to pick some flowers. Alright, Darnassus rep, because I had, that's how you can get rep with the pandas, I guess, is you could put that panda thing on and get the panda tabard and go in the dungeons and do that or something. I think it's like over here, right? Yeah. Yeah. All right, here we go. Can I, all right, I can't do that. I can just glide down, though. Where do I want to go? Here's a good one. All right. And I just need 4 of these, right? So that shouldn't be too hard. I think I got them, right? Is that 4? That's 4. All right. And, I don't know, let's see, where is it? It's this one? Worthy weapon. So, I guess Draknar, whatever it is called. I guess I could take the, I guess I could just take the Griffin and do whatever.
I am honored.
Zuldrak. Ebon Watch. Is that the only place I can go? That'll work, right? Ebon Watch. Ebon Watch will work. Have that for some reason. And yeah, I'm just gonna be on the Griffin and fly automatic, then I don't have to worry about it. Okay, there's the dude. What? Okay, let's see. So do I have the destination highlighted? I do. It's not very far from here, so it's not a bad plan. Yeah. And then after this, I can Hearth back, I guess. Okay, I'm sitting on the sea turtle. I think I've got the flowers, right? I just do this. Offer the flowers. There she is. Swim in the thing here. Can't get on these lily pads. She's just gonna talk for a while and then put that sword down, and I have to pick it up. There it is. Okay. And I guess I can just hearth it now.
Work complete.
Here I go. Boom. So, I'm back here. Whatever faction, I guess it's Draenei here that I'm starting with. Or I did Night Elf, now I'm doing Draenei. Start with the faction that's closest to you, and then... Alright. So, I got some rep of some kind with the Silver Covenant. And,
The Naru have not forgotten us.
okay, wait.
Remain vigilant.
I clicked on the wrong one. Here we go. I get 2 marks for this.
Remember the lessons of the past.
And that's it for this. And all right. Well, I don't know. I'm gonna go do this here.
Arcanon Poros. Blessings upon your family.
I'm getting some kind of rep just there. Friendly with Argent Crusade.
Greetings.
Okay.
Good luck, friend.
Need help?
Okay.
Be careful.
And I got these 2.
Baladash, Malanore.
Can I help you? For the Alliance.
And I can open all these. Alright, well you get some gold anyway, so that's a good thing, right? And Skirmy, yo! How do I do this like that? Well, at this point, now where do I want to do? I can go, basically, if I want to go back anywhere, I guess I could go to Garrison or something, or Acaris, or I don't know. Oh no, did this crash? It really did, didn't it? I don't know, feels like it did. I don't know, whatever happened, something funny happened just then. And it looks okay though. Alright, so here I am, having done this, I've got my mailbox, so I can mail stuff if I need to. Let's see. He's got the Embrace of Madness, that's kind of cool. Might as well keep that. These things, yeah. She doesn't really have anything to mail out, per se. She's got,
well met.
She's got, let me see, you can get rid of that. I don't know, some of these are, I don't know if those can be sold. These are, why does she have this minor healing potion? Salvage. But there's basically nothing. Let me see. So basically, I'm gonna mail some stuff to the banker. Just not a lot, but just this stuff here, potions and stuff, and then all of this can go. And there's that. And then let me see, when it comes to Khadgar's Servant. It has something for you to do. I can't remember what it is. Let's see. I can also mail this material down, and I can send some gold, I guess. Might as well send some gold back too. And there's that. Now I think that's probably my last character that I can do this with. I'm not sure. Let me see. Death Knight still, right? I don't know. Let's see. I guess I'm kind of going to do this with as many characters as I can right now. Yeah, she's the last one. Yeah, she sure is. She's the one. And, oh, she's got the Trial of Style thing going on too, but that's fine. I'm not going to mess with anything. I'm just going to... Let's see, where is her... All right. Now, I believe... Let me see. I don't know if her... Like, what's her Argent Crusade rep? Argent Crusade is... And what's the other rep for... Oh, right, and she has Knights of Ebon Blade, so, I want to see kind of like what's going to go on with this, so we'll see here. Let's just see here. I'm going to go check it out here. And see where she's at in the whole grand scheme of things. I think she completed hers. That's my memory of it. But whoops! Oh, can't go in the alliance. Can't go in the alliance thing. This is what happens when you play the opposite faction and you don't pay attention. Let's see what we got here. All right. So yeah, she's actually completed her thingy. So. It's just... I guess it's just,
Be ready for anything.
Alright, and then this one... It's the Snowblind Followers. I don't believe that she's got, I don't think she's got, like, the bombing quest done, like where she can do that along with the Snowblind Followers, but I can check when we get down there, I guess. But she can do all the quests, so she'll take all the quests, and she can do the tournament. So did she get all these? Oh wait, hers, she doesn't get them here.
Anu Belore Delana.
I guess that's the answer, because she's got Argent Crusade. Her Argent Crusade rep is not that high. Oh, she needs Knights of the Ebon Blade, though. That's why. In order to get everything. I don't know. I'm not sure. I think she just... what's her Ebon Blade rep, then? What am I trying to look for? Here. Knights of the Ebon Blade are exalted, so it doesn't really matter. There's no reason why she needs to pay for that rep. And then her extra quests don't come from there, they come from here. And there should be like 3 quest givers here. It's the same thing, but...
We are done here.
Okay, and there are going to be 2 from here, right?
Ashes to ashes.
Ashes to ashes. And then there's this guy.
Yeah.
Gaman. Okay. Alright. And, alright. So now that means I just have the normal stuff to do, just like my main. So there's nothing extra. So it's just a matter of getting the lance on. She does not have the correct lance item. So where the heck is her lance? She doesn't have one? Why doesn't she have a lance? I don't know. It doesn't matter. She's gonna go in here and get one. What's her normal? Is she let's have her call Valky. What's her normal? Her normal is these. She does have the legendary or the relic weapon or whatever. Well, she got this quest. Why didn't she get the why didn't she get a lance like automatically when she went in there? I don't know. But it doesn't matter. She can get one in here. There's going to be a lance rack, so I can take a lance rack from here. And there it is. I can set that as a default, but it won't last. It'll go away. It'll disappear as soon as she's done. Let me see. So that was heroic, right? Let me see. I better make sure. Yeah, it's set on heroic. So cancel. Okay, I need to get a horse, or a wolf in this case. Yeah, the lope of this thing is kind of distracting. Makes you feel like it's not going as fast. But anyway, let's...
We will persevere.
Skip the pageantry, you bet. Do I have to go over here? Because the alliance probably comes from here, right? Yeah, sure. Alright, who do we have first? Night Elves. Alright. Alright. Alright, here we go. Just want to hit him once with the shield breaker, then you can DPS him down a lot faster. Alright. Poke them with the stick. Alright. There should be one more. Okay, group of them. Uh-oh, I really messed that up. But that's okay, I don't care. I should still only take a few hits. There we go. Alright. Alright, now let's see. So when it comes to these guys, alright. Alright. Alright, well, I don't know what we're doing. It's hard to see what's happening because I'm kind of zoomed in kind of close. But, oh, I got one. I actually got one. Okay, I'm off the thing now. And, oh, she doesn't stun. That's interesting. She doesn't stun as much. Oh, she's gonna have some trouble with, what about my cooldowns here? I don't remember what her things are that are good to use. Probably this, maybe, though. She'll still get some... She'll get some, Alright, well, you don't know how long this is going to take, but... Yeah. Did I get him? I guess I did. Alright, very good. Alright, slaughter those Alliance and look good doing it. Alright, that's that. I get a champion's mark out of that. And I got some kind of ring here, and let's see what else. Is that about... I don't know what all this other stuff is. These are all just the standard stuff for... Yeah, whatever. Alright. Let's see who it's... Victory lies ahead. Who is it going to be? It's going to be Palatrus or Edric the Pure. It's Edric the Pure. You never know who it's going to be.
Are you up to the challenge? I will not hold back.
All right. So... Let's see here. Can't get him until you get his underlings first. They're supposed to warm you up a little, huh? Alright. Alright. That's all their loot, whatever they had. there's that. And then here's this. You can't even get the Embrace of Madness on a character, on a plate-wearing character anymore. Oh my gosh. Just no fun, really.
Anaria Shola.
Anaria Shola to you too. I'm ready for the Black Knight. It's going to be a huge surprise. And that's the way it goes. Okay. She does seem to have an attitude, like she acts like there's not much to worry about here. Alright, I think it goes over here or there. I don't remember. Spoiled my grand entrance, rat.
You spoiled my grand entrance, rat. Did you honestly think an agent of the Lich King would be bested on the field of your pathetic little tournament?
And I'm lagging again, so I'm turning my stream resolution down, my bitrate down. Alright, it's right here, yeah? Okay.
To finish my task.
Finish your task. Do finish, okay? Alright, here we go. Alright, I can pull him. That's another... I forgot. It's the thing. He's going to turn into this. And then I can just do whatever.
Getting in the way.
Alright.
I have no need for bones to best no one.
Okay. Alright, there we go. Girdle of the Wazname. And that's the end. You don't get much loot from this anymore because they changed the way that all works. So, you know, that's the way the ball bounces, I guess. As long as I get another champion seal, I guess that's fine. Well, I don't have very much in the way of these things here, so I guess just fly up there. And I guess I'll just well, I don't know. Maybe I'll just fly down to K3. I don't know if it matters, but that's what I'm going to do, I guess. K3, there it is. Let's fly to K3 and chill out for a while I fly down. Dragonhawk. Huh? Okay. Well, in any case, I think they made the daily quests random, though, too, because used to be when you got them on one character, they'd be the same on all the characters, but it doesn't seem like that's the case anymore, so maybe they've updated that, too. Or there's something else I don't know about. I'm actually not too sure, to be honest, if I have the K3 extra daily that I can do. But one thing I'll tell you, it does not give goblin rep. That's for sure. Neutral goblin rep. You'd think it would, because it's in a goblin settlement. It's a daily. But it doesn't. Pretty much, it seems like pretty much the only thing you can do for goblin rep is just kill pirates. Yeah, I guess I do have it. Look at that. Yeah, I didn't remember if I had it or not on this character, but I guess I do. So I have it.
Yeah, what do you want?
So while you're here, you might as well get it.
Keep it real.
And then I'll put my net on one thing, and I'll put my bombs on another key, maybe this key, 0. I think that's good. 0 and O. Okay. That kind of makes sense, I guess. And I've always found that the best place to go is right here, between these trees and etc. So improved landmine. Yeah.
Work complete.
Have I done it all? Have I gotten enough? I guess I have. I guess I've gotten them all, huh? Alright. Here we go. Okie dokie. Because you might as well, really, I guess. Do this extra one and get an extra 7 gold or something.
Welcome, friend. Be careful out there.
140 EXP on that. And 0 rep. You get like Sons of Hope. I don't know what you get. Argent Crusade. I don't know what you get. It could be anything. So, what do I want to do here? I guess I want to go, I could just go, I could just go back. I could go backwards like this and work my way up. So this is kind of like the backwards way to go do it. And this could be okay too. And it doesn't really matter whether I hearth or not. So we'll see. So let's see what we got here. I really ought to put a compressor on this Windows audio again. I don't know. I kind of had it messed up before and I didn't like the way it was working, but maybe I can fix it. I'm dropping a lot of frames, but I'm in prime time again, so there's nothing much I can do about it. Yeah, this is like not the best. I think I just have to get commanders though, right? So this isn't really all that hard. It's not like I have to get all of them and stuff. I just have to come in here and just do whatever. Okay, you bet. And then, alright, I just need one more. Yeah. And, one more commander, I guess, over here, huh? Alright, so that's that. And battle before the Citadel, and just kind of work my way up, I guess. Well, I've got those, like, extra Hungering Rune weapon. Yeah. I don't know. Maybe I'll try another server here. I don't know. I'm gonna try.